Hello students, welcome to NEET and IIT Mentor. Myself Arnav Sen. Today I will discuss about some tricks regarding the name reactions. Okay. Now I will start from the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now I will discuss about the substitution reaction of haloalkanes. Okay, discuss about the substitution reaction. Substitution reactions. Now we will discuss about the substitution reactions. Okay, substitution reactions. First, substitute by bond by cyanide. First group is substitute by cyanide. Substitute by cyanide group on Cn. What is the reaction? The reaction is Rx. If we give potassium cyanide KCN, ethanol and delta heat. This is reaction reagent then the product will be R bond Cl. Now if we take an example as CH3Cl, if we give the reagent as KCN, ethanol and delta heat, then the product will be CH3CN. Plus KCl. Okay. Next reaction is substitute by isocyanide. Next number 2 is substitute by NC is isocyanide. The reaction is if we give AgCN, ethanol and delta heat, then the reaction will be Cn plus AgX. If we take CH3Br, reagent is AgCN, ethanol and delta heat, then the product will be CH3CN plus AgBr. Okay. This is substitution. Next is substitute by NO2 group. Next is substitute by NO2 group. Reaction will be CH3, CH2, NO2 and ONO group. Substitute by NO2 and ONO group. Okay. CH3, CH2Br. If we give NaNO2 and alkoethane অথবা ethane, okay, then the product will be CH3 CH2 NO2, and if we give AgNO2 and ethane, then the product will be CH3 CH2 ONO. Okay, this is substituted by NO2 and ONO group. Next is substitute by bond OCR group. Next is substitute by bond OCR group. Reaction is this is alkyl group, okay, plus silver acetate. If we give the reagent as alcohol and delta heat, then the product will be, okay, this is the form. Now if we take an example of reaction is CH3 CH2 Br plus CH3 COOAg. If we give alcohol and delta heat, then the reaction will be, then the product will be CH3 bond C double bond CH2 CH3. Okay, this will be product. Its name is, IB's name is, this is 1, 2, IB's name, ethyl ethanoate. This is ethyl group. R bond I, this is ethyl group. This is ethyl group. So this will product, the name of the product is, the IUPAC name of the product is ethyl ethanoate. 2 carbons are present, ethyl ethanoate. Okay. Next is, now the next reaction is Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. The formula of Wurtz reaction is, the reagent which is used in Wurtz reaction is sodium and dry ether. The product will be R is alkyl group, X is the halogen group, chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, this group. Okay, now we take an example of, that is, if we take an example, if we take CH3Cl and if we give the reagent as sodium and dry ether, then the product will be CH3 bond CH3 plus NaCl. The tricks of Wurtz reaction is, in this reaction, here carbon present is 1 and the product of this reaction is carbon present is 2. Here 1 carbon is present, here 2 carbon is present. So in this reaction, in Wurtz reaction, we see that carbon numbers is doubled. Okay. Now if we take another example, if we take CH3 CH2 Cl, if sodium and dry ether, then the product will be CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 plus sodium chloride NaCl. Here 2 carbons is present, here 4 carbons is present. So in Wurtz reaction, carbon number will be doubled. Okay, this is the tricks, not method. This is the tricks of Wurtz reaction. Okay, if this type of, if the reaction follows this formula, then carbon number will be doubled. Okay, there is another one formula of Wurtz reaction is,
another formula is R bond X plus R dash bond X. If we give sodium and dry ether, then the product will be R bond R plus R bond R dash plus R dash bond R dash plus NaX. This is the another forms of Varch reaction. Another forms of Varch reaction. Now we take an example as, if we take CH3Br plus CH3CH2Br, if we give as sodium and dry ether, then the product will be CH3 bond CH3 plus CH3 CH2 CH3 plus CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 plus NaBr. This is the forms. This is the example of this formula of Varch reaction. Okay. Now next is reaction with lithium. Next is reaction with lithium. 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 The formula of reaction with lithium is R bond X. The reagent used in reaction with lithium is lithium, N2 and hexane. Okay. And by inert atmosphere also, right? It is an inert atmosphere also. So the result will be, or the product is Li plus Lix. Okay. This is the form. This is the form. So now we take an example of this formula is, if we take CH3 CH2 Cl, give reagent as Li, N2 and hexane, then the product will be CH3 CH2 Li plus LiCl. Okay, this is the forms of reaction with lithium. Okay, now next is reaction with lead. Next is reaction with lead. Reaction with lead. When ethyl chloride is subjected to react with sodium lead, okay, Na-Pb alloy, then tetraethyl lead or TEL is obtained. Now we take an example as, if we take CH3 CH2 Cl plus, this is the reagent used in reaction with lead, reaction with lead, one Rx or one alkyl halide is react with lead, then the product will be now balancing the reaction. 4 or 6 yes. This is called, this reagent is termed as TEL, T-E-L. This is tetraethyl lead. CH0 is ethyl, तो 4 है, it 4 tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. Okay, tetraethyl lead. The full form of TEL is tetraethyl lead. Okay, it is used to improve anti-knock rating of gasoline. TEL is used to improve anti-knock rating of gasoline. Okay. Now next is rearrangement reaction. I am only discuss about the name reactions. Okay. Now next topic is rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. Here in rearrangement reaction, the X group is rearranged. X group is rearranged. The X group has chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. We take an example as, if we take CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. The reagent used is anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum tetrachloride, and give delta heat. Then the X group will rearranged in that position, in second carbon position. Okay, in second carbon position. So the product will be CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. In rearrangement reaction, we can easily convert 1 chloropropane to 2 chloropropane easily by using the reagent anhydrous AlCl3 and delta heat. Okay. Next topic is the haloalkanes, and next is halo. Now start haloarenes. Haloalkanes is completed. Now next topic is haloarenes. Okay. Next is haloarenes. Haloarenes. Okay. First, we prepare some haloarenes preparation. That is, first we heading preparations. Now I give you some tricks. Preparations. Here benzene ring is present. This is called benzene ring. If we give Cl2 or Fe dust, then the product will be is Fe dust, and the product will be chlorobenzene. If we give Cl2 or FeCl3, then the product will be chlorobenzene. Okay. Now, if we give Br2 Fe dust, then the product will be bromobenzene. If we give Br2 or FeBr3, then the product will be also bromobenzene. Okay. If we give I2, then the product will be iodobenzene. This is a reversible reaction, okay? Mind it. This is a reversible reaction, okay? Iodobenzene. In this case, this reaction is very slow. If we give iodine, this reaction is very slow. So, a catalyst is used here, okay? This reaction is very slow. So, a catalyst is used here. That is I2, and concentrated HNO3 is used to form iodobenzene from benzene. This is side product, iron iodide, okay. This is chlorobenzene. This is bromobenzene. This is iodobenzene. Okay. Next is Raschig process. Here we also take some reagent to form the chlorobenzene. What is the reagent? The reagent which are taken to make chlorobenzene are, first we use HCl, Ar deposited under cupric chloride, CuCl2, cupric chloride at the temperature 400 degrees Celsius. Okay, at temperature 400 degrees Celsius. So, formation will be chlorobenzene. Only this process is known as Raschig process. Raschig process. When a mixture of benzene vapor, hydrogen chloride, Ar is deposited under cupric chloride at 400 degrees Celsius temperature, then chlorobenzene will be produced. Okay, this is Raschig process. Now, next is Gattermann reaction. First we convert aniline to benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium salt. So first we convert aniline to benzene diazonium chloride, because benzene diazonium chloride is the main product where we can easily convert chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, etc. Okay, so first we convert aniline to benzene diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium bromide, benzene diazonium salt. So first we take an aniline. Now we take a reagent as NaNO2 plus dilute HCl at the temperature 0 degree C to 5 degree C. So the product will be easily formed as benzene diazonium chloride. The name of this compound is benzene diazonium chloride. Now from benzene diazonium chloride we can easily convert chlorobenzene to chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, etc. Okay, so now this is the main product. Here the conversion of aniline to benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, now this is the main product. Now from benzene diazonium chloride we can convert benzene, we can convert chlorobenzene, we can convert chlorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. We can convert chlorobenzene, fluorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene easily. Now we can see. Yes, see it. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Now we see. If we give CuCl or HCl, then the product will form is chlorobenzene. If we give CuBr or HBr, then the product will form bromobenzene. The name of these two process is Sandmeyer reaction. This process is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. What Sandmeyer reaction says that when freshly prepared benzene diazonium chloride reacts with copper powder, reacts with CuCl, dissolve in HCl, then chlorobenzene or bromobenzene is produced. Okay. Next, if we give copper powder and HCl, then the product will be chlorobenzene. If we give copper powder and HBr, then the product will be bromobenzene. Okay. These two reactions is known as Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction, Sandmeyer reaction is the modified form of Gattermann reaction. Okay. Gatterman reaction is the modified form of Sandmeyer reaction. Sorry, Gatterman reaction is the modified form of Sandmeyer reaction. Yes. Okay. Now, next is from benzene diagonal salt we can convert fluorobenzene. From benzene we can give the reagent as HbF4. Then the formation of the product will be N2 plus BF4 minus. This name of this compound is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Now, if we give heat, then easily formed fluorobenzene. Easily formed fluorobenzene. Okay. The process, this reaction, the reaction process is known as Skimen reaction. Skimen, scientist Skimen. Skimen reaction. Skimen reaction. Okay. Next is preparation of iodobenzene. If we give Ki, potassium iodide, water and delta heat. Ki, H2O, Ki, H2O and delta heat, then the formation of the product will be iodobenzene. Okay. Yes, side product also here. H2O. Yes, side product. Okay. Next is Dow process. Next is Dow process. Dow process is also known as formation of phenol. In Dow process, phenol is formed. Next process is Dow process. Dow process. Next is Dow process. When chlorobenzene is heated with 6 to 8% NOH at 350 degrees Celsius and 300 atm pressure, then sodium phenoxide is obtained, and by hydrolysis sodium phenoxide, phenol is formed. Chlorobenzene is heated with 6 to 8% NOH, 350 degrees Celsius, 300 atm pressure. Then sodium phenoxide is obtained. And by hydrolysis of sodium phenoxide to give H2O or dilute HCl, hydrolysis, then the formation of the product is phenol. We can easily convert chlorobenzene to sodium phenoxide and phenol. Okay. Next we get some tricks from chlorobenzene to several reaction, that is chlorobenzene to aniline, chlorobenzene to cyanobenzene, etc., etc. Okay, now we can see it. Substitution by bond X group by bond NH2 group, that is chlorobenzene to aniline. This is chlorobenzene. Now you can convert. See. If we give ammonia NH3 Cu2O 475 K 60 atm pressure, then the formation of the compound is aniline. If we give CuCN, pyridine and delta heat, then the formation of the product will be cyanobenzene. Next is electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. Okay, in this topic we can also discuss. Okay, if we give Cl2 and Fe powder, then the formation of the compound is one chlorine is on the ortho position, and another will be in the para position. In benzene, with respect to this group, this position is considered to be as ortho position, this group is considered to be as meta position, this group is considered to be as para position. Okay. Next process is nitration. Mixed acid, if reaction of reagent here used in nitration, reaction used in nitration is mixed acid, that is concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. We can write mixed acid. Mixed acid means concentrated of H2SO4. Mixed acid means concentrated of H2SO4 plus concentrated of HNO3 at temperature 50 degree to 60 degree Celsius temperature. To 60 degree Celsius temperature. Then the product will form same as chlorobenzene also. One NO2 is on the ortho position and another NO2 is on the para position. Okay, para position. Next topic is sulfonation. The reagent used here is concentrated H2SO4. At 100 degrees Celsius temperature, at 100 degrees Celsius temperature, then the product will be one is ortho position SO3H and another will be in para position. Okay. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If we give CH3Cl and anhydrous AlCl3, CH3Cl and anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. AlCl3. Then the formation of the product is one CH is in ortho position and another CH3 is in para position. Okay. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Reagent used in Friedel-Crafts acylation is CH3COCl and anhydrous AlCl3. Then the formation of the compound is one COCH3 is in ortho position, another COCH3 is in para position. Okay. Another COCH3 is in para position. Oh, sorry. Which in the formation of the product of this reaction, which will be the major product and minor product? The major product will be in para position. If their compound present in para position, then this product is considered to be as major product. So in that case, this is major product and this is minor product. Why? In all the other, this is major product, this is minor product. So this is major product, this is minor product. Major product, this is minor product. This is major product and this is minor product. Why this happened? Because in this compound here, repulsion occurred in this reaction. Here repulsion occurs. Okay. In major product, here no repulsion occurs. So that's why this compound is considered as major product. In all cases, same. Here repulsion occurred. So this cannot be as major product. It is minor product, and this will be the major product. Okay. Next is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Next is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. If we give CH3Cl, sodium and dry ether, then the formation of the product will be as toluene or methyl benzene. If we give CH3CH2Cl, then the product will be CH2CH3. This is ethyl benzene. Okay. This is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This is nitration. This is sulfonation. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Next is Fittig reaction. When aryl halide reacts with metallic sodium in presence of dry ether, then biphenyl or diphenyl is obtained. If we give sodium and dry ether, D dot matlab means dry ether. Okay, dry ether. biphenyl or diphenyl is obtained. If there is bromobenzene is here present, then all chlorine group is rearranged to replace to bromine. If this bromine is present, then these are sent, then this will become Br. This will be NaBr. This will be NaBr. Okay, but this is same. This will be NH2. This will be NH2 aniline. This will be same. Cyanobenzene. Same. Okay. Next is reaction with magnesium metal. And come some reaction. This process is known as nitration. This process is known as sulfonation. This process is named as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is known as Würtz-Fittig reaction. This is known as Fittig reaction. Okay. Next is reaction with magnesium metal. Okay, this is a tricks in a wheel form. In a wheel form. Okay, it's a tricks. Next is reaction with magnesium metal. Next is reaction with magnesium metal. If we give magnesium and dry ether, then the formation will be product. Then the formation product will be MgCl. For here present bromobenzene, then the product will be MgBr. Okay. Next is Ullmann reaction. In Ullmann reaction, when aryl iodide is heated with copper powder, then biphenyl compound is obtained. The scientist name Ullmann reaction. Okay, Ullmann reaction. When aryl iodide is heated with copper powder, then biphenyl compound is obtained. Okay, this is a reaction. So that's all for today. Next day I will continue from after this. Okay, thank you.
So that's all for today. Please subscribe the NEET and IIT Mentor channel and press the bell icon for new updates. And also please drop a like, share and comment also. Thank you.